Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a practical guide that many Toyota Prius second generation owners will find invaluable, especially if you're looking to tackle some more challenging terrains. Whether you're facing a muddy path or a snowy road, having the ability to turn off the traction control in your Prius can make a significant difference in your driving experience. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process on how to safely and effectively disable the traction control system. So if you're ready to gain more control over your vehicle in tricky conditions, stay tuned and let's get started. Step 1. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat of your Toyota Prius second generation, but do not put your foot on the brake. This is crucial for the process. Now press the power button twice. This action will turn on the car's electronics, but not the engine itself. Step 2. Next, it's time to press the accelerator pedal twice. Step 3. With your foot now on the brake pedal, shift the car into neutral, or N. This is an important step to prepare the car for the traction control disablement. Step 4. While in neutral, press the accelerator pedal twice again. Remember, each press should be firm and complete. Step 5. Now shift the car back into park, or P. Step 6. Press the accelerator pedal twice more. By now, you're familiar with the drill. Make sure each press is complete and firm. Step 7. Here's the crucial part. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the power button once. This action is what will finally disable the traction control, allowing you more flexibility and control when driving on challenging surfaces. And there you have it. Your Toyota Prius's traction control is now off, and you're ready to tackle those muddy or snowy roads with more confidence. Remember, this setting is temporary, so you'll need to repeat the process if you restart your car. Drive safely and enjoy the enhanced control over your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical guides and tips. See you in the next video.